Hey there, it's David Badger with Recreation RV with a real treat today. 2005 Fleetwood American Eagle, top of the line, diesel pusher, 400 horse. We are really excited about this. We do not see these very often. Walk around the outside, show you this with only 46,000 miles on it. Full body paint. Four slides. Looks to me like it's been kept inside. There's no clear coat issue, there's no blistering. Tires are awesome. Awnings on every window. Power awnings on every window. Side radiator for that Cat 400. This is what every motorhome aspires to become. Favorite views is this key fob, which will operate the power locks on all of the cargo cabinets. It's got these huge storage trays on sliders. Lots of room when you get the band back together and get on the road. You're a movie star. Let's step inside this baby. Walk here in the middle, give you a perspective of how cherry this is. Leather, these captain's chairs. Powered captain's chairs with both heated seats, vibrated massaging, flat screen TV, sofa sleeper here, Corian, top of the line cabinetry. I'm going to walk to the back and then make my way to the front of the coach. Wow. This is so cozy. Another flat screen TV, Bose stereo system. Back here in the master, washer dryer combo. Lots of storage for clothes. Again, the four slides just make this thing humongous. You have door controls, radio controls here in the master. Large shower, super nice bathroom, vanity, makeup lights, more Corian cabinetry, beautiful stainless steel 4-door fridge. Lots of cabinets for storage. It's going to take two hands to do this. Oh. Look at that. Canned goods. Get on the road and go. This is where it really shows the opposing slides and this giant living room. Let's go up here to the cockpit real fast. Allison transmission. little backup camera, auto hydraulic leveling. Again, these awesome, comfy, powered, massaging, heated seats. This one even reclines. This one won't last. This is a true find. Call us today at Recreation RV. We'd love to show you this in person. Thanks for looking.